Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video about what I have purchased during my local boutiques invite only VIP event for the Christmas holiday launch. I deliberately didn't order any of the limited edition sort of makeup with this launch from the online purchase, and if you haven't seen that video, it's on my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. So yeah, I make use of this event to try on their limited edition makeup before I decide on whether I would like to purchase or not. Now, I have been eyeing this quad. I personally have True Winter Skin Tone, which is a cool tone palette. So for my color makeup, I do prefer to use cool tone colors, and so this palette is perfect, and definitely that was the case when I tried it on. It's quite sheer, but you can certainly build it up and makes it good for work and daytime look. The next thing I picked up is the blush. Now, I know there's been a lot of mixed review about the blush, and most of the review says that the blush really doesn't show, and that it's best to use it as a blush topper or even as a highlighter. And that is exactly what I'm going to use this for, because I've actually finishing up my Dior highlighter, the liquid highlighter, and I really, after trying that, I prefer to use a powder highlighter. So I make use of this blush that is more like a highlighter to purchase that from Chanel. Now, the next thing I purchased is a very bougie skincare, and most of you will think this is a complete waste of money. It's the Sublimage cream, so it's a night cream. It's a refillable jar. Very bougie. Now, the reason why I purchased this is because I got samples from my new essay last time with a previous event, and I have to say my skin seems to really benefit from this, as well as the nighttime serum, also from the Sublimage range. I have noticed my skin texture and the tone has improved. There's a glow to it. And recently I've been to events where I caught up with some old friends, and they all commented I have looked the same since they last saw me 10 years ago. So I really think that, is due to my recent changes in skincare to Chanel. And yeah, so I made that purchase. Now, the packaging, you can see each year's got a different ribbon, and so previous years you've got the white tweed-like ribbon, and then this year it's got the navy, but with like a frill for the border, and I think that's a very nice touch to the ribbon. And I was a bit disappointed I got the star charm again. I did ask for a different charm, because I got the star charm from the online purchase, but the store didn't have that, or as they weren't allowed to choose, so that's a bit of a shame. But she did pop in some goodies for me. Looks like this is a deluxe sample of the blue exclusive men's, I think more masculine type of fragrance. I know fragrance doesn't really matter, what gender. There's no gender, but this is more of a less floral type of fragrance. So yeah, not sure whether I quite like the blue, but I'll see. It's a very cute bottle nonetheless. So any sample is good samples and much appreciated. So I'm not going to complain when there is a freebie. The other thing I purchased is a mascara though. Actually, I probably shouldn't be opening it, because I've got actually mascaras at home still using, so I won't open it. But it's a blue mascara, so you can tell I love my blues. So she also popped in some other samples from the Sublimage. So this is the night serum that I talked about that I'm still trying. It's just so expensive that I'm kind of, just seeing whether I could get away with just the night cream. And the eye cream sample, again, very luxurious eye cream that I'm yet to splurge on, and the day cream, which I've already tried a few samples before. I quite like it, but it doesn't give me that wow. My skin looks so different after using it type of, change. So I don't think that day cream is worth the splurge, but definitely the night cream, which is why I bought the jar, and I'm tossing up with the night serum. I'll try putting on just the night cream without night serum to see whether it suffices. And a little goodie gift surprise, as usual, from Chanel with these event launches. You generally would get some freebie when you attend and purchase in the event. Actually, I don't know if you don't purchase whether you still get it, but I always purchase in these events anyway. But yeah, notebook, very pretty. And that's it from my video today. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll be interested to know what you purchase, or are you going to purchase anything from the Christmas holiday season set from Chanel? Which one is your favorite? I would be very keen to know and have a bit of a discussion. Until next time, you all take care. Bye.